Good morning, my beautiful students. Today, inshallah, girls, we will take Unit 10 and Lesson 1 and 2 in our book Better English Now, okay? First of all, girls, I will start with the classroom rules. Number 1, follow directions quickly. 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. 3. Raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. 4. Make smart choices. And 5. Keep your dear teacher happy, okay? So, before starting my lesson for today, I would like to play a game with you. The name of this game is ABC game, okay? So, if I ask you girls, I need you to give me 2 words that start with letter D. With letter D, hurry up. Letter D like dog, deer, donkey. Okay, if I ask you, my beautiful students, I need 2 words that start with letter H, like house and hat. If I ask you, I need 3 words that start with letter, for example, C, like cat, cow, and car. Okay, so as I told you girls, today inshallah we will take Unit 10 Lesson 1 and 2 in our book Better English Now, page 46 and 47. Okay, first of all girls, we will start with the first word we have in our lesson today. What can you see here? I can see some people shopping in the shopping mall. So the first word in my lesson today is shopping mall. What do I mean by shopping mall, guys? Or give me the spelling of the word shopping mall. SHOPPING, mall, MALL. So what is this? This is a shopping mall. Okay, what about the second word? What can you see here? I can see a credit card. So this is what? This is a credit card. Credit card, CREDIT, card, CARD. This is a credit card. The first word, shopping mall, and the second word, credit card. What about the third word, girls? Okay, how many persons can you see in this picture, girls? Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So how many persons can you see? I can see 12 persons, or we can call them people. It means in Arabic nas, okay? People, People. So the first word, shopping mall. The second word, credit card. The third word is people. And the fourth word, girls, if I ask you, or if I say, there is a Black Friday sale at the end of this year. It means that تخفيضات, okay? So sales, SALES. I can buy so many things if I have the Black Friday sale, okay? Now, girls, after that, I will play with you yes, no, stand up, the icebreaker. Then, girls, I need you to open your book, listen, and order the conversation, okay? Number 1, shopping is fun for me. I like it too. I usually do my shopping in London. Number 2, but I guess that buying things in a country rather than your own is difficult. Number 3, girls, not exactly. This may be true if you can't speak the local language. Number 4, I see. Reading a package label in a foreign language and communicating with salespeople can be a problem. Number 5, that's right. The price system may also be a problem. Number 6, what do you mean? I always thought that the price is fixed in Europe. 7, you are right. In Europe and America, the price is usually fixed, but bargaining is common in Asia and Africa. 8, do you carry a lot of cash when you travel? 9, not really. I use my credit card. In fact, plastic money has made shopping abroad very easy, okay? Then girls, true or false? Number 1, Only one of the two women enjoy shopping? Of course, false. Number two, credit cards are easy to use. Yes, this is true. Three, in England and France, the price is usually fixed. False. Bargaining is not common in Jordan and Egypt. False. Five, when you travel abroad, you need a lot of cash and credit card. False. Six, shopping will not be difficult if you know the local language. Yes, this is true. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Number one, nowadays credit cards are popular. Two, shopping in London requires the use of English. Three, if the price is not written on the item, you often need to fix with the shopkeeper. Four, many people use plastic money in England. Five, communicating in English is easy, okay? You have to do it, girls, in your book on page 47, okay? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and speaking, and goodbye.